Good morning, HCS. My name is Andrew Booker, here with Patrick McLaughlin, here to bring you your news.
The after-school tutoring program will continue this period, not week, but just a period to end the sentence. There will not be any after-school tutoring the weeks of January 20th and January 27th. After-school tutoring will start up again on Monday, February 3rd.
The next game for the boys Huskies is tonight versus École Grande Riviera at 7:30 at home.
Anyone interested in middle school drama, please meet in Mrs. Atherton's room at recess today. Middle school choir will start on Wednesday at noon. High school choir is starting today at noon. Colby is confused about something.
I don't like the laughing back there in the background. It's not.
And over to Adam with weather and a fun fact.
And yes.
Good morning, HCS. It is currently -2, but feels like -7. Today's high will be +2. Now for your fun fact. Made in China stickers are actually made in Korea. That's pretty interesting.
Yes.
Back to those two.
Wow.
And that just goes to show that you can outsource anything.
Yes. Thank you, HCS. That's all for now.